Good morning, all. It is Wonderful Wednesday. Check out the wonder for today and be ready to share what you learned at 8:30. At 9, you'll have science with Mrs. Fennell. Have ready your login and password for at 9:45 for Savas Realize to take our On the Banks of Plum Creek test. You also have a spelling test in your Seesaw to complete. These are the first two grades for quarter 2, so make sure you take your time and look at all of your answer choices. At 10:45, you have in your Seesaw account a script to fill out for your first student-led conference. Once completed, I will have you practice with a partner in a breakout room. Because of this, we will have to meet for math at 11:45 to work with your place value detective agency members. So guys, let's make it a great Wednesday, and I will see you guys at 8:30.